PDFs have become an essential format for sharing documents because they're secure, easy to access, and look the same across all devices. Whether you're creating reports, resumes, ebooks, proposals, or forms, the way you design and structure your PDF can make a big difference in how professional and effective it appears. In this video, we'll walk through the best tips and practices for creating high-quality PDFs that are clear, accessible, and visually appealing. One of the first best practices is to start with a clean and organized layout. Avoid clutter, too many fonts, or overly busy designs. A PDF should be easy to read and simple to navigate. Use consistent spacing, clear section headings, and readable fonts. Professional documents usually stick to one or two font styles to keep everything clean and cohesive. Remember, your layout sets the tone for your readers, so keep it polished and well-structured. Next, always optimize your images and graphics before adding them to the PDF. Large, high-resolution images can make your file size too big, which can slow down loading or prevent it from uploading to certain platforms. Resize or compress images without losing clarity. Clean visuals help your PDF look polished while keeping the file lightweight and easy to share. Another important practice is to use consistent formatting throughout your document. Make sure your heading sizes match, paragraph styles are unified, and your alignment is consistent from page to page. This not only improves readability, but also helps guide your reader smoothly through the document. Inconsistent formatting makes a PDF look rushed or unprofessional, so take the time to double-check your styles. One of the most valuable tips is to make your PDF searchable and accessible. Instead of uploading scanned images of text, always use real, selectable text. This helps with searchability and improves accessibility for people using screen readers. If your PDF includes graphics, consider adding alt text or captions for clarity. Accessibility is becoming more important every year, especially for business and educational content. Another best practice is to use clickable links and interactive elements when needed. Add clickable URLs, email addresses, table of contents links, or form fields if your document requires input. These features make your PDF more functional and user-friendly. If you're creating guides, workbooks, or manuals, interactive elements can make the experience much better for your audience. Don't forget about file security. If your PDF contains sensitive or private information, consider adding a password, restricting editing, or enabling permissions. This helps protect your content from unauthorized access or changes. Many PDF tools allow you to set security levels depending on how your document will be used. Before finalizing your PDF, always proofread and test it. Review your text for grammatical errors, check your images, and test all clickable links. Open the PDF on different devices to make sure everything displays correctly. Sometimes layout issues only appear on mobile, so it's important to test across different screens. Finally, keep your PDF updated. If you're using it for business, marketing, or branding, refresh the content when your services change, when new information becomes available, or when you need to improve clarity. A clear, modern, well-designed PDF leaves a strong impression. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tutorials like this. Keep creating high-quality PDFs that are clean, accessible, and professional, and you'll make a stronger impact with every document you share.